Hello everyone, I am Mr. Prashant Shatra. Once again I am coming back to you for the ISC students. Before going to start my class, this is my request. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. So let us start our class. You already have seen that I have uploaded one class for you all, that is for the ISC examination 2026, and I have not taken so much time for over there. I have not explained so much thing over there, but I wanted to explain main part of the inheritance. This is the string tokenizer. Means whenever you are going to solve that string type of problem, that time you must use this way. You can use string tokenizer class to reduce your program size. If you do not apply the string tokenizer class, what will happen? Your program size will be more. So how to use that string tokenizer, maybe you all know. Once again I am revising. Please check it properly. I will show you this one in computer, this board, on the board, as well as I will show you in computer. So let us see. I want to tell you in very short, so please try to understand what is that. Suppose sometime you are doing work with the paragraph. Maybe in your program it is given, enter a paragraph, then you do some work from there. Sentence by sentence you split, or enter a line, you split word by word. So you all know in ISC we don't have this function. We don't use this function actually, because this is not given in ISC, but in ISC this function is given. So what you will do, you can apply this method. Okay, let's see what is that. Import java.util, that is to use this scanner class we have to use as well as the string tokenizer. Now you see, so whenever you will take the sentence, this is must, you have to take scanner class. Using the scanner class you are taking a paragraph. This time we are taking a paragraph. You see it is a string type. Para is the variable name I have taken, and next line, whenever you are taking a sentence you can take next line. If you are taking a paragraph you can take this next line. Now what is the object ISC? That object we have used to accept a line or the paragraph. Now this paragraph, that the variable which one you have done, now we will apply string tokenizer. If you convert this normal sentence of the paragraph, if you convert into, means if you wrap it, means within the string tokenizer class, what will happen? Then string tokenizer inbuilt functions that will help you a lot to do some work. Let's say string tokenizer st is the another object name. So whose object name? String tokenizer class object name. Now this paragraph we are using here as the parameter, and we are giving one instruction computer. You see these are the parameters, means these are the parameters. Whenever you will split as a token, you see that string tokenizer means it will split the sentence or the paragraph as a token. So what is your parameter? If you do not give any parameter, if you do not give this part, what will happen? Computer will give you by default a space is a parameter. Means if you write a paragraph, it will show you one by one word. Okay, so not as that the what you have given them. If you write the parameter, definitely it will set, means whenever it will get a question mark, it will extract that particular part and it will show you. So this is the way, question mark, full stop and exclamation, that means these are the sentence terminator. So whenever you will give this, if from a paragraph, computer will split one by one sentence, and if you don't give, what will happen? If you give the paragraph, it will not split as a sentence, it will split as a word. So you see that this is paragraph, we are giving here, putting a comma, then you are writing this. That means we want to show as the sentence from the paragraph. So you see that once it is done, this line is done, what will happen? That means we will work with this now. We will work with this now means we can apply some functions is given in string tokenizer that are important functions. One, I have applied how many functions here? Number one, I have applied next, has more tokens. The next token function has more tokens, count tokens. These are the main functions we are using in our program. You see that? So string tokenizer st, we are applying this st, and whenever we will extract the line, this is the variable where we will keep the line. So now computer, you do one thing, using this object, you check it here. This is the checking part, means the loop will work until this condition is true. So has more tokens. If a single character even in this line, if a single character it is given in paragraph, that means it will be treated as a token. So st.has more tokens means computer, you check is there any token. If it is true, so what you will do, computer, you come inside and do work using that object. Don't forget that you will apply this object. This is string tokenizer object st.next token means has more tokens. You are checking true or false. Is there any token? If yes, then you are coming inside, then you are extracting that sentence. Suppose my sentence is, I am writing a sentence. You check what is my sentence. Suppose my sentence, a paragraph, I have written paragraph equal to hello, 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 exclamation, how are you, so question mark, I am fine. So this one I want to write as a paragraph. A paragraph means multiple sentences. So multiple sentences I have given. Now computer, so st.next token, so this line will hold the first line. So the first line, which is the first line? This is the first token or the first line. So this token will come here. Next, computer, again I want to apply another string tokenizer object, and this time you see that I'm splitting that sentence, not the paragraph, that sentence, which one the sentence it was there, that sentence I will convert into another string tokenizer object. You see that another object I have given xy. Now this time I will count number of words in it. So you see that how we will count number of tokens, not using this, because I am using this line. So that line I am converting into another string tokenizer object, and using that object xy.count tokens means it will count how many word in this sentence. Hello, exclamation, how many word? Only one word. So computer, you show me now this line, it will show you hello, hello. Okay, so that exclamation symbol will not come because my parameter was this. So exclamation symbol will not come, and after using a tab, computer will show you that is 1. So again it will go for the next and has more tokens. Next time computer will get this how are you without exclamation. So again it will come how are you, and that will be converted here, and again this using xy count tokens, it will be this time 3, and you print how are you, then number of tokens will be 3. In this way all the sentences will be printed in this format, and it will show you number of words even. You can do lot of works. After taking out the sentence, you can use another function here to do some another work if it is given in the question paper. I am just showing you how to apply the string tokenizer class. Let's see, I will show you in computer. So now please check whatever I have written, everything, whatever I have written on the board, everything I have written it here. Please check. This is my sample. Import java.util. Because to use the scanner class, that line is compulsory. You are taking the sentence, string para sc.next line, this string tokenizer object we are preparing using the parameter. This is the parameter. After using this parameter, you see that before starting of the loop, I have taken a variable. This variable will extract one by one the sentence st, which object? This object, st dot next token, not tokens, here tokens, not here. So this line, string tokenizer object, no parameter is given, means it will be treated as the word will be as a token. So you see this, check, compile, close, check. What we will write? Let us write our sentence. I am writing our sentence. Please check. That is hello. How are you? I am fine. Full stop. You see that everything I have written, whatever I have written on the board, everything I have written it here. So please check, enter, check. This is my answer. So whatever I have explained on the board, exactly we are getting. Here why the gap is there? Because the space, it is not removing. That string tokenizer class, it's not removing the space because it's not my parameter. So what is parameter? That is removed. Question mark, exclamation symbol and full stop. That are my tokens parameter. So we will not see that one, and other things, everything we will see. So the tokens parameter is this. Okay, so I think it is clear. So in this way you can write your program to reduce the string program size, otherwise it will be very much lengthier. So whenever you are splitting the sentence, you will split like this. Again, that sentence if you are using for some other reason, or you have to extract that sentence again word wise, so you can again apply in this method. So, okay, so I think this is very interesting and I think you can understand it properly. Okay, so up to this much. If you are liking my class, please give a like. Okay, again if I get time, definitely I will upload some other thing for ISC students. This time I am uploading all the classes basically for the ISC students, and again I will repeat maybe another important topic. Okay, till then, goodbye.